Dinner is ready, everyone! Come to the table.
Coming, Mom. Just one more minute. Leo, you say that every night. And every night I mean it, Lily.
Honey, this smells amazing.
Thank you. It is your favorite chicken soup.
Mom, can I watch TV after dinner?
Homework first, Leo.
Mom, I did my homework.
All of it?
Most of it.
Leo.
A significant portion of it.
Leo, finish your homework tonight.
Yes, Dad. I will finish the significant remaining portion. Yes! This is the best part! Leo, turn the TV down, please. Lily, this is an important scene. Leo, I am trying to... What? No! Right at the best part! Leo, the power went out. I can see that, Lily. I cannot see anything.
Everyone okay?
We are fine, honey. Nobody move.
Ow!
Leo, I said nobody move.
I moved before you said that, Mom.
Everyone stay calm.
Dad, why did the power go out?
Probably the storm outside. It happens sometimes.
When will it come back?
Could be an hour. Could be longer.
How much longer?
Could be all night, Leo.
All night? What will we do?
We will survive, Leo. People lived without electricity for thousands of years.
Dad, those people did not have TV.
Okay. Let's find the emergency candles.
We have emergency candles?
Yes, Leo. In the kitchen drawer for exactly this situation.
Mom, you prepared for everything.
I prepared for you, Leo. Same thing.
Here they are! 3 big candles.
Perfect. Let me light them.
Dad, this is actually kind of cool.
See? Every situation has a positive side.
It looks like we live in a castle. Leo, we live in a house in Ohio.
A castle in Ohio, Lily.
Okay, castle family. What do we do now?
I could finish my homework.
Really?
No. I was being polite. What else can we do?
Mom, my phone is almost dead. Leo, save your battery. We might need it. Need it for what? Emergencies, Leo. Mom, this is an emergency. I cannot watch my show.
Leo, that is not an emergency.
Dad, I was at the best part. Leo, my phone is at 15%. Lily, we are in serious trouble.
Kids, put the phones down. We don't need them.
Dad, what will we do without phones?
What people used to do. Talk to each other.
Talk?
Talk?
Just talk?
Just talk, Leo.
For how long?
However long we want.
Okay, I have some things to say, actually. Oh no. Good things, Lily. Mostly good things.
When I was young, we had power cuts all the time.
Really, Dad? What did you do?
We sat outside and watched the stars.
That sounds really nice, Dad.
It was. Your grandfather used to tell us stories.
What kind of stories?
Funny ones, scary ones, true ones.
Dad, tell us a story right now. Yes, tell them the camping story, Mike.
Oh no, not that story.
Tell them.
fine. When I was 12, I went camping with my dad.
What happened?
I thought I heard a bear outside the tent at night.
A bear?
I screamed so loud the whole campground woke up.
What was it, Dad?
A squirrel. A very small squirrel eating chips.
Dad! A squirrel!
It was dark, Leo. It sounded much bigger.
Dad, you screamed because of a squirrel?
A very aggressive squirrel, Lily.
Dad, look! I can make shadow puppets. This is a dog. Leo, that looks like a blob. It is a dog blob, Lily. Very specific breed.
This is a rabbit.
That looks like a duck, honey.
It is a rabbit duck. Very rare animal.
This is a butterfly.
Lily, that actually looks like a butterfly.
Thank you, Leo.
I am slightly jealous, Lily.
Okay, let's play a word game. What word game, Mom? I say a word. You say the first word you think of. I am very good at this game. Ready? First word, happy. Pizza!
That says a lot about you, Leo. Pizza makes me happy, Lily. It is logical. Mom, can I say something?
Of course, Leo.
This is actually really fun.
Is it?
We never just sit and talk like this. We do sometimes, Leo. Not like this, Lily. Without phones and TV.
What do you think is different?
Everyone is just here, not looking at other things.
That is a very smart observation, Leo.
I have smart observations sometimes, Mom. Sometimes, Leo. Lily, let me have this moment, please.
Leo is right, though. We should do this more often.
Minus the power outage.
Minus the power outage, yes.
Dad, next time can we do this on purpose?
No electricity on purpose?
Just for one night. Like camping, but inside.
That is actually a great idea, Leo.
I know. I am full of great ideas. And also some terrible ones. The ratio is improving, Lily. Lily, what time is it? Almost midnight, Leo.
Look at them, Mike.
They fell asleep talking.
When was the last time that happened?
I cannot remember, honey.
Me neither.
Welcome back to the show! The power is back! My show. What? Where?
And just like that, it is over.
Leo, it is midnight. No TV.
Dad, I was so close part!
Bed. Now.
Dad?
Yes, Leo?
Tonight was really good.
Yeah, it really was.
Even without the TV.
Even without the TV.
Good night, Dad.
Good night, son.
Did your power ever go out at night? What did your family do? Tell us below. Did you tell stories like us? Or did you just sit in the dark? Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Easy Say English for more fun stories.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.